Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download videos from Instagram. First, let's go to Play Store. Then we come up to the search box up here beside the magnifying glass. We click on it. Then we are going to download in Download Master. So this is the name already out. So just type it into your search box. So I'm just going to click on it. Okay, so there are so many apps you can use to download videos from Instagram. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, here we are. This is one of where I'm going to download video downloader. So go right ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it will open up so you can download. So this is it. I've already installed it on my phone. So you should just go ahead and click install. So I'm just going to open it on my own. Open it. So this is how it looks like. So let's. So these are the few steps if you want to download video from Instagram. First, you go to Telegram. When you find the video you want to copy, you click on the three dots, then click on copy link, then come back to the app. Then we come up to the box and paste the URL there. After pasting it, we click the green arrow, the green box with the white arrow facing down to download the video. Or the second method is we go to Instagram, click the three box, click on share link, then click on the app itself. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's go to Instagram. So let's look for a video to download. Okay, so I'm going to download this video. So I'm going to click the three dots at the side right here. Okay, then I can copy the link. Click copy link. Copied. Go back to the app. The app also downloads automatically once you have copied the link and you go back to the app and you open it up. It also starts downloading the video. But if it doesn't start automatically, you could just click on the white arrow facing down to start downloading. So automatically it detects the link that I copied, and look at it right here. So I could just download it right now. Click download. So the process to download have started. You can see it's downloading. So this application does have adverts in it. So once you open it, advertisement, then you can close the advert. So it's done downloading. So now I have the video in my phone. So let me click on it so that I can play it. So I'll come over to download. Boom. Click on it. So that's the video. So the second method. Okay, right now let me show the second method how you can download video from Instagram. First we're going back to Instagram. Click on Instagram. The second method if you want to download video is, let me look for a video. Okay, this video. Click the three dots. Click on share to.
So now we click on the app itself, that's in download, click on it. So I said it does contain adverts, so it will show you adverts sometimes when you want to download. So it's done, and
if during the downloading it stops, if you just click on again and it will start over again to download.
see, it's now showing the video. Then we now click on download. See, so those are the two ways you can download videos from Instagram using this app. So you can see it's downloading. Boom, so it's done downloading now. We'll now go back to downloaded, which is on top at the side. So you can see now we have the video, we can play it.
Look at what you've been through and still I ride. Look at what you endured and still I ride. Look at what you overcame.
Okay, you can see.
Still I ride. Look at what left and still I ride. Look at what happened to you and still I ride. I was adopted but still I ride.
So I'll put a link to this app in my description if you want to download it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.